Corner reinforcement. The first step to installing your new bath surround is to glue the corner reinforcement flashing tape into the vertical corners. The flashing tape can be found in between the trim pieces and has been cut to the height of your wall panels matching the kit style you have selected. When installed, it will produce straight, strong, watertight, and mold-resistant inside corners. Apply a generous bead of adhesive onto both walls about 3/4 of an inch away from the corner. Fold the tape at the center crease, then press the tape into the corner using a taping or putty knife. Adjust if necessary to create a straight line and swipe up and down to nudge the flashing tape into the corner of the wall and to flatten out the corner. Repeat this process on the other vertical inside corner of your shower. You're now ready to begin the wall panel installation process.